Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to leave a circle on the Life360 app. But before I do that, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, so to be able to leave a circle on the Life360 app, first head over to the app. Once you're in the app, ensure that you have the correct circle selected at the top. So mine's currently selected on family. Once you've done that, tap on the gear icon in the top left hand corner. And then tap on Circle Management. Next at the bottom, tap on Leave Circle. So this says you will no longer see or share locations with this circle. Are you sure you want to leave? So you just tap on Yes if you want to leave, or No if you want to remain in this circle. And that's all it takes to leave a circle on the Life360 app. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you liked the video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.